Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Brian Sequeira and these are the headlines. Rain, thundershowers, lightning are very likely at many places on 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th June. But monsoon unlikely in the next 48 hours has just hit Kerala today. Vaccination drive for lactating mothers, Divyangs and priority groups from 18 to 44 years of age begins today, will continue from 3rd June till 10th June. No compulsory counselling, say both ruling BJP, opposition Congress. Gang up against Nilesh's proposal to make it compulsory before marriage. And now for the news in detail. Even in times of pandemic, politics is still very present and prominent. The ruling party has lost no opportunity to display its posters at every vaccination center, leading to angst among the generally muted opposition. But in Madgaon, things erupted and police had to be called in.
There were 4 vaccination centers in Margaon for COVID-19 vaccination. Margaon's Devadnya Bhavan, one of the vaccination center, witnessed some tense scenes on Thursday after the ruling BJP parked its ambulance inside the building displaying the banner of the party. The Congress objected to this and demanded that it be removed, and the quarrel began. The police was finally called to the site. In this entire confusion, people had to take their vaccine amidst police protection. Watch the drama.
एम्बुलन्स कार्ड म्हणल्या काढया प्रॉब्लेम ना किती उलयता रे तुम्ही किती इशू कोण इशू करना कोणे काहीच तुझा आवाज नका तुका सांगता लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन बाब दिगंबर कामत फ्रस्ट्रेट जाल्लो आसा. इतले लेवलाचेर गेल्लो आसा की आपले गुंडांक हाडून दैवज्ञ समाजा भायर हॉला भायर तो उबे केल्या आनी आमची एम्बुलन्स सुद्दां जी भितर दवरिल्ली आसा. एम्बुलन्स म्हणले प्रोटोकॉल जेन्ना टिका उत्सव चलता तेन्ना कोणा वॅक्सिनेशन करना फुडें कोणा कितें इमर्जन्सी जाली जाल्यार ताका इमिजिएटली शिफ्ट करचो पडटा आनी त्या खातीर आमकां रिक्वेस्ट केल्ले हेल्थ ऑफिसरान की तुमचे कडेन एम्बुलन्स आसा जाल्यार ती तुमी हाडून दवरची म्हणून. आनी आमची ती एम्बुलन्स आसा पळय ती स्पॉन्सर्ड एम्बुलन्स, पार्टीची एम्बुलन्स, भारतीय जनता पार्टीची. ताजेर भारतीय जनता पार्टीचो लोगो आशिल्लो. ती एम्बुलन्स आमी भितर दवरिल्ली आनी ती एम्बुलन्स हे सगळे काँग्रेस वर्कर फ्रस्ट्रेटेड तांणी ते पुलिसाक सांगून काडपा लायली आनी आमी काडली ती एम्बुलन्स.
Now listen to what Margaon's Congress-backed MMC Vice Chairperson Dipali Sawal has to say.
सडनली एक गाडी आयली 2-3 भायर गेटी भायर म्हणपाक लागले आमकां भितर सोड. कित्याक वॅक्सिनेशन घेवपाक आयले जाल्यार तुमी येयात. आपली मडगांवाच्या वाठारान कोणी येवपाक खंय गोंयच्या वाठारान कोणी येवन इंजेक्शन वॅक्सिन घेवपाक शकता ना. आमी बीजेपीचे कार्यकर्ते आमकां उदक दिवपाक आमी सगळे आमी केला अरेंजमेंट. तुमी म्हळ्यार हांगा बेश्टी गर्दी करनाकात ताजेर इशू बोवाळ. आमी बीजेपीचे तितूंतलो तेंचो एक कार्यकर्तो भितर वचून एक बायलेन आपली कपडे काडल्यात वॅक्सिन घेवपाक. थंय वचून त्या बायलेक पळयता उब रावन. हांवें विचारलें तूं कित्याक हांगा ना आमी 4 सेंटरान 3 सेंटरान अशें केलां आमकां एलाव आसा. खंयच्या कार्यकर्त्याक जावं खंयच्या दादल्या मनशाक एक बायल ओपन जावन इंजेक्शन घेता तेका वचून पळोवपाचो रायट आसा.
Sandeep Toyakar for Goa 365 from Margaon.
The idea of compulsory counselling has united both the ruling BJP and the opposition Congress in opposing it. It is highly unlikely that the Law Minister Nilesh Kabral had anticipated this reaction when he announced that he was making counselling compulsory before marriages in the state. Listen.
काउन्सिलिंग कंपल्सरी करचे डावयसाक लागून आनी लोकांचे हेचेर विरोध तुमचे कितें?
म्हजे एज अ पार्टी म्हणून आमी ते पळयतकच आमकां ते बरोबर दिसूना. त्यामुळे पार्टीचो ह्या बाबतीत एक वेगळो हें आसा की आमी मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन उलयल्या की गोंया भितर एक गोष्ट बरी आसा की सगळ्या जाती धर्माच्या लोकांक सिवील रजिस्ट्रेशन हें कंपल्सरी आसा पयलीं पासून. ही बरी गोष्ट आसा. सबंद देशभरान कॉमन सिवील कोर्ट हो गोंया भितरूच आसा आनी एक बरी गोष्ट आसा. आनी त्यामुळे अप टू रजिस्ट्रेशन ठीक आसा, पण ज्या तरेन मिनिस्टरान जर कितें पयर डिक्लेअर केलें की कावन्सिलींग बिफोर रजिस्ट्रेशन कंपल्सरी, हो चुकीचो निर्णय आसा असो म्हाका दिसता. तेजें वैयक्तीक मत आसूं शकता. पार्टीचें त्या संदर्भातलो निर्णय जो आसा तो आमी मुख्यमंत्र्याक सांगिल्ले आसा. मुख्यमंत्र्याक सांगलें आमी लोकांक लग्न करपाक रजिस्ट्रेशन पुरतेंच तितपर्यंत ठीक आसा. बाकीचें कावन्सिलींग जें आसा की तेका गोंयान एवरेज 10,000 वर्साक लग्नां जातात आनी एक 10,000 म्हणजे 20,000 न्हवरो आनी व्हंकल धरली जाल्यार. आनी त्यामुळे ह्या लोकांक तुमी कावन्सिलींग वगैरे ह्या हातून तेंच्यांनी पडचें न्ही. जेका कावन्सिलींग जें आसता तेजो आवय बापूय आसत, घरांतलो एल्डरली पर्सन जो आसा तोच खऱ्या बऱ्या तरेन कावन्सिलींग दिवपाक शकता. आनी सरकारचें कावन्सिलींग कंपल्सरी केलें म्हणून डायवोर्स कमी जातले अशें ना. एवरेज सबंद देशभर 0.24% हो डायवोर्स रेट आसा. गोंया भितर तो 18%, 0.18% आसा. आनी ताका लागून हजारभर लग्न जर जालें आसा जाल्यार एक 13 लग्नां एवरेज डायवोर्साक वतात. आनी ती केवळ कावन्सिलींग जाली म्हणून भितरल्यान सुदारणा जातली अशें ना. लग्न जावपाक आनी एक परतून एकदां सरकारी डिपार्टमेंटान वचून लोकांनी परत वचून फावटी मारप हें कृपा करून करचें न्ही अशें आमकां दिसता. आनी म्हणून आमी मुख्यमंत्र्याक सांगिल्लें आसा की तो जो कंपल्सरी कायदो जो कितें म्हणटा हो कायदो तितल्या पर्यंत थांबयात, फुडें व्हरूं नाकात. कारण हातून कांय भितरल्यान व्हडलें कितें वेगळें जातलें अशें ना. आनी त्यामुळे लोकांक त्रास जाता अशे गोश्टी जावं जायना अशें आमकां आमच्या पार्टीचें मत आसा.
निलेश कापडा एक स्टेटमेंट गेला की काउन्सिलिंग इज कंपल्सरी फॉर मॅरेज. तुमचे कॉन्सेप्ट हें कितें तुजें?
See, I don't know why they want to burden the local people. एक अपॉइंटमेंट घेवपाकूच सादें रजिस्ट्रेशन करपाकूच यू हॅव टू रन अप एंड डावन. नाव दे आर पुटींग अनदर दीस कावन्सिलींग करचें म्हणून, आनी विदाउट डेट यू कॅनॉट गेट अ रजिस्ट्रेशन सर्टिफिकेट. दिस कावन्सिलींग cannot be before marriage. It has to be continuous. If it is counseling, if you are afraid of divorces, it has to be continuous if you are doing it. This is just to burden the people and to make money. Here for everything you have to pay in any of this government. Or are you all trying to keep a control like that love jihad thing? You all want to control that? Do you want to see who is marrying, or do you want to tell some people no, you cannot get married? Or maybe they want to avoid intercaste marriage, inter-religious marriages. Is the government trying to be a big brother? तो प्रश्न येता. Because I don't see any reason why they have to make it compulsory. Why you need that certificate for that?
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The government first cancelled the 10th boards and then on the heels of the CBSE cancellation cancelled the 12th boards. Here are the reactions to that announcement.
The leader of opposition Digambar Kamath welcomed the move to cancel the 12th standard exams, as this would ensure that children's health would not be compromised. However, he said that the government had to take help of experts and work out the modalities of the way forward.
हांवें डिसिजन वेलकम केला, कित्याक भुरग्यांचो लायफाक सगळे कडेन आज 12वीचे एग्जामी कॅन्सल केल्या. महाराष्ट्रांनी काल केल्या, सगळे राज्यांनी केल्या. फक्त म्हजें म्हणणें एकलेंच की मुखार कशें करपाचें हें एज्युकेशनल एक्सपर्ट्सां कडेन कन्सल्ट करून सरकारान ठरोवपाक जाय, म्हणजे भुरग्यांक त्रास जावचो न्ही.
त्यानंतर ऑल एग्जाम्स एट युनिव्हर्सिटी लेवल, ऑल एग्जाम्स एट युनिव्हर्सिटी लेवल ते कशें घेतले? ऑनलायन घेतले जाल्यार ती सुखसोयी गोंयांत सारक्यो ना. ऑनलायन घेता आसतना भुरगे कॉपी मारतात, घरा कडेन बसून आवय बापूय फाटल्यान बसून तांकां सांगत उलोवपा जाता, कारण तो सावंड काय थंय घेना, फक्त बरोवपाचें टायपींग करपाचें इतलेंच येता. हेचे वयल्यान ते ऑनलायन कॉपी मारूनय ते पास जावंक शकता.
ही जी कॅन्सलेशन केल्या 10वीची आनी 12वीची परीक्षेची, ताका लिगल सेंटिटी कितें आसा, कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल व्हॅलिडिटी कितें आसा हो प्रश्न आसा. 43,000 भुरग्यांक जी 10वीची 23,000 भुरग्यांक 10वीची आनी 20,000 भुरग्यांक 12वीची ज्यो सर्टिफिकेट्स मेळटल्यो, त्यो सर्टिफिकेट्स लिगली व्हॅलिड आसतल्यो काय ना हो प्रश्न आमकां खूब व्हडलो दिसता. आनी आमकां हे गोंयच्या भुरग्याचो फुडाराक कांयच ताका त्रास जावपाक जायना, हाचे खातीर आमी मागतात की गोंयच्या गव्हर्नमेंटान स्टेप्स घेवचे आनी इमिजिएट स्टेप्स घेवच्यो. तशें पळयल्यार एक्चुअली गोयचे चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर प्रमोद सावंत किंवा एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंट हांचो हे एग्जामी कॅन्सल करपाक किंवा घेवपाक हातूंत कसलोच रोल ना. सीएमान येवन टीव्हीचेर अनाउन्समेंट केले किंवा ट्विटराचेर ट्वीट केले आसत, पूण एक्चुअली द गोवा बोर्ड इज एन ऑटोनॉमस बॉडी and the Goa board has to take these decisions. Goa board has to announce these decisions.
Last night, Chief Minister, who is also the Education Minister, had announced that the exams were cancelled.
काल माननीय पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदीजीन सीबीसीची एग्जाम कॅन्सल केली आणि आज सीबीसीचो तसो सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ एड्युकेशनचो तसो निर्णय बी जो आसा हो तांच्यांनी बाय सर्क्युलरच्या मार्फत कळयलो. एकंदर सगळ्या भुरग्यांच्या हेल्थाचो विशय लक्षांत घेवन आमी पळयता की पॅन्डेमिकच्या स्थितीत भुरग्यांचे हेल्थ ही प्रायोरिटी आसा आणि ताकाच लागून आज सगळ्यांच्या बरोबर कंटिन्युअसली डिस्कशन करून आमी एग्जाम कॅन्सल करपाच्या ह्या निर्णया पर्यंत पावल्या. कारण खूब जाणां कडेन उलयल्या उपरांत आमकां प्रायोरिटी ऑफ स्टुडंट हेल्थ ही पयली आशिल्ली आणि परत येवपी फुडें लोक एज्यूम करता जी थर्ड वेव येवपाची आसा आणि ती परत भुरग्यांच्या खातीर मारक आसतली. हेजो सगळ्याचो विचार करून आज सांजचो निर्णय जालो की आमी एग्जाम ही कॅन्सल करता. बट ताजो डिटेलान सर्क्युलर की कशा पद्दतीन ताजें मार्कींग सिस्टीम आनी कितें आसतलें हो सगळो सर्क्युलर जो आसा हो फाल्यां गोवा बोर्डाच्या मार्फत डिक्लेअर केलो वयतलो. आपण थोडंसं
Sandeep Toyakar, Krishna Naik and Amar Chauria for Goa 365 from Margaon, Ponda and Panjim.
Urbanization of Kalangut Panchayat will take concretization of the village to the next level long time, albeit former Kalangut Sarpanch Joseph Sequeira charged, taking a pot shot at the present Panchayat and the local MLA.
Joseph hit out at local MLA Michael Lobo and Kalangut Panchayat for notifying Kalangut as an urban area in the official gazette. He said urbanization would affect social culture and tradition of village as it would lead to more migrants shifting to Kalangut. He argued that urbanization would also hit the tourism industry.
Urban means destruction, and I feel that this destruction should have not been taken by the state government. At least now pandemic is going on, COVID-19 is going on, and there are a lot of issues in the village, in the state, and even though not taking any interest in this, the government has said that let the Kalangut village be urbanized. Now notifying Kalangut as urban areas means taking concretization to the next level. Changing Kalangut as urban area from beautiful Kalangut, known as a rural village worldwide, will definitely have an adverse effect on charter tourism, and Kalangut will lose the prospect of growth in tourism industry. Now, because we were village, lot of tourists used to come, and people worldwide would say, or anyone who comes to Goa, they said, where is Kalangut? And it was a village. Now, if you see that huge buildings come in the village, who will come? And we have strong objection for this notification. We find not in the interest of our village, but pursuant to fulfill the malified intention of the so-called visionary leader. Now, the visionary leader only is talking about the urban will be retained as a village. How can it be when the constitution says that urbanization will lead to municipality? Urbanization will go for 100-200% FAR. Don't fool the people of Kalangut.
Joseph said that PDA had already approved big projects in fields and hills of Kalangut. The decision was taken closed doors of Secretariat, keeping Kalangut cards in dark as the behest of Kalangut MLA and Panchayat.
If you see, when you start in Kalangut, there is to the right, there is a structure in the field which is approved by the ODP, by the planning PDA, and it is 80% FAR given in this. It is right in front of the church where it is obstructing the church. Second, next to Boviage, there is 100% FAR given on the hill to a big builder. We were not aware of this. The villagers were not aware of it, and I think most of the villagers are not aware of it. But taking undue advantage of this COVID, they have done this.
Joseph also hit out at Michael for his promise to legalize houses along the coastline through PDA. Watch.
Telling lies to the people of Kalangut and fooling them in the name of development. So what he has done earlier is that he has shown a rosy picture about 5 years back that all the houses by the seaside will be approved or will be done by will be approved by the PDA. 9 years have passed. What has happened about it? Now, तांती तेकला तुझे बोकाक आणि आता तुम्ही करूंक सोदता just because their elections are coming close by.
Former Kalangut MLA and Congress General Secretary Agnel Fernandez too criticized the urbanization of Kalangut.
The beauty of Goa is in its villages. तू तो ते काढूंक सोदताय, विलेज काढूंक सोदता, अर्बन करूंक सोदताय, आणि तू सांगता अर्बन नोटिफाय केल्यार काय जायना म्हणून दुसऱ्यो 55 विलेजेस आहा त्यो कित्याक जायना? कांयच जायना. You have decided to make 56 villages. You have de-notified all the 56 villages. Now you have brought Kalangut only. His idea is to make this a municipality. And what are the bad effects of being urbanized? तुझे FAR वाढूंक मेवता, setback आसोना, it is like a municipal area. Setback na kai na, it's going to be a concrete jungle.
Sandeep Kamulkar for Goa 365 from Kalangut.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Vaccination drive for lactating mothers, Divyangs and priority groups from 18 to 44 years of age began from Thursday. The vaccination drive will continue from 3rd June till 10th June.
Timetable of vaccination has been released. In North 21 and in South 23 vaccination centers will be set up for this. In Bicholim, vaccination drive was started in 6 centers. Mamledar Praveen Pandit gave details.
Today vaccination we have commenced at total 6 centers in Bicholim Taluka at Government College of Arts, Commerce, Science, Sakre, Ravindra Bhavan Sakre, Narayan Jati College of Commerce, Bicholim, then Shantadurga High School, Bicholim, then Dayanand High School, Chorao, and Primary Health Center, Moy. So during this vaccination we are covering people who are 45 plus in age as well as priority group. Priority group consists of lactating mothers, citizens from 18 to 44 age group who are having comorbidities, taxi drivers, and etc. So we have conducted large-scale awareness in respect of vaccination at priority groups at local levels with the help of Sarpanch Panch members. Also health officers have conducted awareness within their jurisdiction of their health center, and Talatis have also assisted them. So right now response is very good. Today is the first day, so response is quite good. Today is the first day, and we had announced this just 2 days prior, and now figures will increase day by day. So we want to request the general public to come and visit the vaccination center and get themselves vaccinated, because vaccination is the only solution against this COVID pandemic.
Right now, what is the status of this vaccination availability?
Right now, vaccines are available in sufficient quantities for priority groups. State government has also ordered vaccines for 18 to 44 age group. That also will be delivered. So right.
There was a good response for vaccination drive held at Sarvodaya High School in Kurcharem.
I'm Dr. Janice Pascalinas. I'm a medical officer and a physician based at CHC Kurcharem. So currently we are here today at Sarvodaya High School. Okay. We are here attending the vaccination. This is the vaccination center for the 18 to 44 age group. Okay. So today's age group includes those individuals who are lactating who are 45 days post lactation, and we have mothers who have children of 2 years and above, and disabled people in the age from 18 to 44 years. Okay, so this vaccination, it's important to be vaccinated because it will reduce your severity of getting COVID, okay, in case you do get it.
18 to 44 जो वॅक्सिनाचें जें केलां सरकारान तें खरेंच बरें केलां. जाल्यार कितें जाता, लोक उलयतात की फक्त मत मागपाक घरा कडेन वता इलेक्शना टायमार, बाकी टायमार कोण येना. जेन्ना लोकांक गरज आसा, आतां तरी वॅक्सिना हें कोविडाचे हेजेर खूब गरज आसा लोकांक. पायलटाकूय दिलां, तांकांय तें बरें अशें केल्लें आसा. वायट कांय अशें हांव म्हणूं शकना की केलां तें खरें बरें केलां.
आजच्यान 18+ सुरू जाला हांगा. तशें ते सी फेरर्साक लागून पूण 2 व्हिलर्स आमचे ऑटो रिक्षा ड्रायव्हर्स तांकां हें केलां, अलॉट केलां. तशेंच 2 वर्सांची भुरगीं जेंची कोण आसा तांकांय आवयांक तांकां केलां. आनी हे सरकारान बरें इनिशिएटीव घेवन मुखार सरून बरें केलां. हें करून वॅक्सिनेशन घेवंकूच जाय, सगळ्यांनीच घेवंक जाय, सगळ्या लोकांनीच घेवंक जाय. कित्याक आमच्याच बऱ्या खातीर केलां न्ही तें. सो आमच्यांनी सगळ्यांनी ताजो लाभ घेवचो. आमकां फ्री केलां गव्हर्मेंटान. खूब कडेन पयशांनी आसा, पूण आमी हो कोविडशिल्ड आमकां सगळ्यांक फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट दिल्ले आसा.
Pras Sawadekar and Mahesh Goekar for Goa 365 from Kurcharam and Bicholim.
Now for the weather. Rain, thunder showers and lightning are very likely at many places on 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th June. There will be no large change in maximum and minimum temperature for the next 4 to 5 days. Heavy rainfall very likely at isolated places on 3rd, 4th and 5th June.
On today, the 3rd of June 2021, onset of southwest monsoon over Kerala has taken place. In the coming 48 hours, it is expected to move further northward and reach up to some parts of coastal Karnataka, south interior Karnataka and more parts of south and central Bay of Bengal and Rayalaseema. Monsoon arrives Goa by around 5th of June. That is the normal onset date, normal arrival date for monsoon over Goa. So it is less likely that the monsoon onset will take place or the monsoon arrival will take place over Goa in the coming 48 hours.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iPhones, to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa365.